Today we discuss excess pressure across the free surface of liquid. We determine or we calculate or we discuss about the excess force on free surface of liquid or free surface of water. We discussed in previous lecture when the water is contact with glass or liquid is contact with glass, we observe the angle of contact and also we discuss the shape of meniscus. If we change the nature of liquid and solid, the angle of contact is also changed and shape of liquid surface is also changed. If the shape of liquid surface is changed, then the pressure of that surface is also changed. That is, the pressure depend upon the shape of liquid surface or shape of free surface of liquid. If the free surface of liquid change, the pressure of both sides of this surface is also changed. Now in figure we consider three types of shape. First, plain liquid surface. Second, convex liquid surface. And third, concave liquid surface. Now first we discuss about the plain liquid surface. Now we consider the water or liquid containing in vessel, and this is the plane surface of this liquid surface, and we consider the molecule at point A and at point B. The molecule at point B is inside the liquid or below the plain liquid surface, and molecule A is outside or above the plain liquid surface. That is molecule A in air. Now in this case, the atmospheric pressure, or we say that FA, is downward force due to atmospheric pressure. There is two force. The first, FA, is the force, downward force due to atmospheric pressure, and FT is the net or resultant force due to surface tension of this liquid. We assume that the T is surface tension of liquid and Ft is the force due to this surface tension, and Fa is the downward force due to atmospheric pressure. In this case, the downward force Fa acting on this plane surface, but net resultant or net Ft, that is force due to surface tension of liquid, is 0. That is Ft is equal to 0. Hence the pressure at point B is beside the force Fa bar. जर आपण फिगर ए मध्ये ए चं ऑब्झर्वेशन केलं तर फिगर ए मध्ये आपण लिक्विड सरफेस हा प्लेन घेतलेला आहे आणि एक पॉइंट सरफेसच्या वरती म्हणजे एअर मध्ये आहे, दुसरा लिक्विड मध्ये आहे बी. लिक्विड मुळे Ft हा फोर्स आहे आणि एअर मुळे Fa म्हणजे ॲटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर मुळे जो फोर्स निर्माण होणार आहे तो आहे डाउनवर्ड फोर्स. परंतु इन केस ऑफ प्लेन लिक्विड सरफेस या ठिकाणी ह्या सरफेसवर फक्त Fa हा डाउनवर्ड फोर्स ऍक्ट होईल आणि प्लेन सरफेस असल्यामुळं द नेट फोर्स ऑन मॉलिक्यूल ॲट बी दॅट इज Ft इज 0. म्हणजे बी या ठिकाणी जो मॉलिक्यूल आहे त्या ठिकाणचा प्रेशर किंवा फोर्स त्या ठिकाणी किती प्रेशर असणार आहे तो कोण त्याचा निर्णय हा वरचा फोर्स घेईल दॅट इज Fa हा घेईल. हेन्स द प्रेशर ॲट पॉइंट A and pressure at point B is same. In case of plain liquid surface, pressure at point A and pressure at point B is same. There is no extra pressure in case of plain liquid surface. Now we consider the second surface, that is convex liquid surface. Also we consider this is liquid and Ft is the force due to liquid or force due to surface tension of given liquid and Fa is also the downward force due to atmospheric pressure. In case of convex liquid surface, the net or total or resultant force Ft is at vertically downward. In case of convex liquid surface, the net or resultant force Ft means the force due to surface tension of given liquid. Therefore, this Ft act vertically downward and Fa, that is force due to atmospheric pressure, is also acting vertical downward. Both Fa bar and Ft bar acting vertical downward, hence the pressure at point B or force at point B is increases. Pressure or force at point B is increases inside the liquid, and inside the liquid or at point B the nature of that surface is concave, and outside the, that is at point B A, the nature of surface is convex, and at point B the nature of surface is concave. That is, inside liquid at point B pressure is greater than outside, that is point A. That is, if we know or if we assume that PB and PA is the pressure at point B and pressure at point A. In this case, PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB कारण की दोन्ही ठिकाणी atmospheric pressure आहे. आतमधला Ft is 0 आहे, म्हणजे A ठिकाणी B ठिकाणी atmospheric pressure आहे दोन्ही सारखे आहे. पण in case of convex liquid surface, the both Fa and Ft acting vertical downward, hence downward force is greater, that is force at point B is greater than force at point A, hence pressure is increases at point B, hence pressure at point B is greater than pressure at point A. That is, at point B, this surface is concave, and at point B, surface is convex. Then also we can write the pressure of concave side inside the liquid is greater than pressure at side, that is convex side, outside the liquid. That is, pressure at concave side is greater than pressure at convex side. In case of plane surface, both pressure is same, but in case of convex liquid surface, the pressure at concave side inside liquid is greater than pressure at concave side outside the liquid. Now, in case of concave liquid surface, C, type C, concave liquid surface. In this case, or in case of concave liquid surface, the net force, that is Ft, is at vertically upward. The net force is at vertical upward and Fa bar at vertical downward. Hence, both poles Ft and F are opposite to each other. Hence, the pressure at point B is decreases or less than Fa. The pressure at point B is less than Fa. Hence, at point B, the nature of surface is convex, and at point A, the nature of surface is concave. Also, there is observed same result. The pressure at point A is greater than pressure at point B, because the Ft at vertical upward, Fa at vertical downward. Hence, the net force at point B is reduced or decreased. Hence, the pressure at point B is decreases, and we get the Pa greater than Pb. The pressure at point B is greater than pressure at point B. In short, or it can be written as the pressure of concave side outside the liquid is greater than pressure at convex side inside the liquid. In short, in case of plain liquid surface, there is no change of pressure at point A and point D, that is above and below of the plane surface. The pressure is same, but in case of concave and convex liquid surface, the pressure at concave side is greater than pressure at convex side. This is about the excess pressure across the free surface of liquid. Now we add another small topic, that is effect of impurity and temperature on surface tension of liquid. The effect of impurity and temperature on surface tension of liquid. Now, firstly, we discuss about the effect of impurity on surface tension of liquid. First, the effect of impurity. The impurity are of two types. The first is soluble or dissolved impurity, and second is insoluble or not totally dissolved, undissolved impurity. When the soluble substance, when soluble, or we say that soluble impurity, when the soluble substance added in liquid, when soluble substance added in liquid such as common salt, that is sodium chloride, is added in liquid, then this sodium chloride or common salt is soluble in liquid. In that case, the surface tension of this liquid, surface tension of liquid or water is increases. In case of soluble impurity or soluble substance, every soluble substance is added in liquid or water, then the surface tension of liquid is increases. Now second point, the liquid such as phenol or detergent, phenol and detergent added in liquid, added in liquid or water, then surface tension of liquid, then the surface tension of liquid is decreases. When the soluble impurity is added in liquid, for example NaCl or sodium chloride, the surface tension is increased. The another, in case of phenol or alcohol, phenol, alcohol or detergent is added in liquid, that is the surface tension of given liquid is decreases. Third point, when the insoluble impurity, when insoluble impurity is added in liquid, the surface tension is decreases. Surface tension is decreases. Phenol and detergent is also insoluble impurity or undissolved impurity. When dissolved impurity add, surface tension increases. Undissolved or insoluble impurity added in water or liquid, the surface tension of given liquid is decreasing. This is the effect of impurity. In short, the soluble impurity added, surface tension increases, and insoluble impurity added, the surface tension of given liquid and water decreases. Now, the another effect, that is effect of temperature on surface tension, effect surface tension of liquid. In previous lecture we discussed about the effect of temperature on angle of contact. If temperature changes, the angle of contact is also changes. In case of most liquids, the temperature of liquid increases in most of liquid. The temperature of liquid is increases, the surface tension of given liquid is decreases. In case of most liquid, जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये लिक्विड असे आहे की त्यांचं सरफेस टेन्शन टेम्परेचर जर वाढवलं तर त्याचं सरफेस टेन्शन डिक्रीज होतं आणि सरफेस टेन्शन डिक्रीज झाल्यानंतर ते जे वॉटर असेल किंवा ते जे सोल्युशन असेल त्याचं जर टेम्परेचर वाढवलं तर सरफेस टेन्शन डिक्रीज झालं की सरफेस एरिया वाढतो आणि तो सरफेस एरिया क्लिनिंग इफेक्ट साठी जास्त त्याचा उपयोग होतो. म्हणून जास्त खराब झालेले कपडे घरचे लोक ज्या पाण्यामध्ये डिटर्जंट आपण ऍड करतो, कपडे भिजाय घालतो, ते जर पाणी आपण गरम करून घेतलं तर जास्त लवकर कपडे त्याची धूळ लवकर निघली जाते, कारण की त्याचं सरफेस टेन्शन ते जे वॉटर घेतलंय एकतर डिटर्जंट ऍड केल्यामुळं त्याचं सरफेस टेन्शन कमी होतं. आणखी जर आपण त्या पाण्याचं टेम्परेचर वाढवलं, गरम पाणी केलं तर आणखी परत त्याचं सरफेस टेन्शन कमी होतं आणि म्हणून कपडे लवकर साफ होतात किंवा चांगले धुतले जातात. दिस इज द ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ दॅट surface tension. The effect of temperature, the first is in most liquid the surface tension increases, temperature increases of given liquid, then the surface tension of that liquid is decreased. Secondly, but in some cases the surface tension increase in temperature. In case of molten cadmium and molten copper, this is two liquids, molten cadmium and molten copper. The temperature increases, the surface tension is also increased. These are two examples, that is molten copper and molten cadmium. In this case, if the surface tension of that liquid is increases, temperature of given liquid is increases, the surface tension is also increases. Except of these two, in other cases or other liquid, the surface tension increases, temperature increases, the surface tension is decreases. And last note, we know that the temperature of given liquid is increases, the surface tension is decreases. At particular temperature, surface tension become particular temperature, the surface tension becomes zero. That temperature is called critical temperature. ज्या टेम्परेचरला सरफेस टेन्शन एकदम शून्य होतं त्या टेम्परेचरला म्हणायचं क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर. अँड इन शॉर्ट, ॲट पर्टिक्युलर temperature or surface tension of given liquid at critical temperature, the surface tension is zero. Or in another word, at particular temperature surface tension becomes zero, and at that temperature is called critical temperature. Or at critical temperature surface tension is equal to zero. This is the effect of impurity and effect of temperature on surface tension of liquid.